Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about this website called BaamBoozle. And it's a free website that you can use on your computer or your PC. And it's kind of like Kahoot, but you use it as a whole group. You can pay for it, but I use the free version. So this is what your home screen will look like. You have a home button, my library, or different games that you can choose from. So we're going to show you the games today. So these games are made by teachers from all over the world. And my kids really love this website. So you can do things like social skills. You can, what is your favorite? Name five things. You can do movement ones where they can dance and get things out, get their wiggles out and dance. But let's click on name five things. So this is what it looks like from the teacher's point of view. You have different questions that are going to be asked for your students. So you can delete the questions you do not like and you can add some more, like name five sweet foods, name five animals under the water. And here are the different options you could play. You could play, you can study, slideshow, or edit. But let's click play today. This is what it looks like. It's how to play. So you can make teams, you can use different questions. So let's go one team and 16 questions. This is my students' favorite part. So you got dogs, cats, bunnies. These are different themes you can pick to go on your squares. So let's pick dogs today. Okay, and then you come down here, you've got quiz, classic, or classic junior. We like to play classic because it's a good in between of questions and power ups. Here's what the game board looks like. So I usually have my students pick a dog from their seat, or they can come up and pick a dog at the board. So let's click on this corgi here. And it says name five sweet foods. So we can do chocolate, donuts, cake, ice cream, and muffins. Let's say they got it right. Hit check, hit OK. And there, it gives them points. You also have power ups in the games and everything else. So my students really do love BaamBoozle. So I hope that one day you'll get to use it in your classroom and see how much your students love it too. Thank you so much for coming by.